bread mix all ready to go in the pan. So we'll do that and then get it in the oven. Okay. All right. We coming out the oven now. Keep your eyes on the prize. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Yummy, yummy, delicious. Delicious banana bread. Yep. And this is a product review. Yeah, for Chiquita Banana Bread. Yeah. Oh, yeah. You just simply mash 2 cups of overripe bananas, add a large egg well beaten, preheat the oven to 350, grease and lightly flour an 8 by 4 inch loaf pan. My pan was a little smaller. You can see the rise on that. I'm lucky it didn't run over. Look at that. And then you, let's see, stir the contents of the Chiquita Banana Bread pouch with water, lightly beaten egg, and mashed bananas for 1 to 2 minutes or until all ingredients are wet. Pour the batter into a greased and floured pan. Bake on 350 for 45 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. If using a 9 by 5 inch baking pan, adjust the baking time to 40 to 45 minutes. Cool 20 minutes and loosen the edges with a knife and remove from the pan. Let me tell you something. Okay, I'm gonna set my timer, and since we've been out of the oven a few minutes, I'm gonna set it to, let's see, let's start over because I'm sure I hit the wrong thing. I'm going to set it to 15 minutes, and then we're going to go ahead, and once that goes off, then I'll come back and I'll remove it from the pan and we'll finish up the video. But it's looking good. My mouth is watering already. All right, this is loaf number 2. Hey y'all, look, it came out perfect. It came out just perfect. Can you see that? Not a glitch anywhere. Oh my God. Look at the pen. Look at the pen. Not a glitch anywhere. Oh my God, I'm so proud of myself. Banana bread? Anyone? Come join me or place your order. You choose. But this was fun because yeah, as you saw in some of the pictures, the little snippets that I did, the bread was rising up over the pan. You can see that little mark right there. And I was like, oh my God, this is gonna run over. But it didn't. It came out just perfect. Came out, whoops, came out of the pan nice and clean. And there we have it. Banana bread. Ah, yeah. Taste.